Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today I'm going to be making a Chinese lemon chicken. So I have my chicken breast cut up into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to add those to the bowl. Oh goodness. To this I'm going to add two tablespoons of cornstarch. I want a quarter teaspoon of black pepper, quarter teaspoon of salt, I just realized I'm out of garlic powder, so I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of minced garlic to it. Garlic powder would be better. Now comes my wet ingredients. I want a half tablespoon of soy sauce, a half tablespoon of mirin, and a quarter teaspoon of sesame oil. I'm going to mix this all together to get the chicken coated. And stick this in the refrigerator to marinate for about 30 minutes, and then I'll be back. Hi, I'm back. So my chicken has the oil's not quite hot enough. I've let my chicken marinate for over 30 minutes. Now I'm trying to get my oil hot enough to start frying it. think that's about hot enough. So I'm going to drop the chicken in little by little and fry it for about 4 minutes until it's a light brown. Take it out, put it on paper towel lined plate to drain the oil off. And then once all the chicken is fried, I'm going to fry it again for another 3 minutes. So what I want from this right now is a real light golden color to it. But frying it twice gives it a little extra crispiness. So I'm going to keep doing this until the chicken's all fried, and then I'll be back. Okay, I'm finishing up my second fry. And when you're done, you want the chicken to look like this. So I'm going to get rid of this oil and get ready to make the sauce. And I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm going to start making the sauce. I should use my juicer. So I want a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Getting juice everywhere. And that's the juice of 2 lemons. And to that I want to add a teaspoon of lemon zest, which is the zest from 1 lemon. I need to pick the seeds out. Let's get these seeds out of here, because we don't want those in there. Then I want a quarter of a cup of sugar. I'm going to stir that together. A third cup of water. And a tablespoon of cornstarch. I hear you. I'm busy. Well, got a little bit lumpy, but it's all right. And once the sauce is thickened up, I'm going to add my chicken. And stir that to coat it with the sauce. Get myself some rice. And serve some of this chicken over top of the rice. And let's give it a taste. Mmm. That's really good. A nice light lemon flavor. It's not overpowering. Very good. So hopefully you enjoyed this recipe. Please give it a like. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.